This is the Itel P55 Plus. It was released alongside the Itel P55, P55 5G and P55T. And for the price of 119,900 naira, is it worth it, or you should go for the more expensive Itel P55 5G? Yes, this is Itel's first 5G device, starting at the price of 138,200 naira. Or should you even go for the regular base model Itel P55, going for the price of 93,900 naira? Well, all these questions and more will be answered in this video, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Unboxing the Itel P55 Plus, we are greeted with the phone, a clear TPU case, a 45 watt fast charger, thank goodness, a USB Type-C cable and earphones. So all the standard stuff are present. Moving on to the design, the Itel P55 Plus gives us a refresh in terms of design. In this era where Traction is basically recycling the same design from earlier this year. That said, the Itel P55 and P55T still reuse the same old design. I guess Itel didn't fully commit. Anyways, the Itel P55 Plus looks really nice, at least to me. It is made out of plastic both on the sides and the rear. I especially like the bronze camera rings. I think it makes it look a bit more premium. At the size of the Itel P55 Plus, there is the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the other side, there is the dual 4G nano SIM card and micro SD card tray. At the bottom, there is the USB Type-C port, speaker drill and 3.5mm headphone jack. On top, there is nothing. The Itel P55 houses a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels and support for 90Hz refresh rate. Yes, it is kind of disappointing that it's a 720p display. That said, to find a new device with a 1080p display at this price range is almost impossible, so I can't really fault Itel on this. That said, I am very disappointed that the Itel P55 5G comes with not only a 720p display but with a water drop notch. Now, that is not the best, but I guess they spent all the money on the processor, which I'll be talking about in a bit. Watching content on the Itel P55 Plus is okay, and the 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling across apps smoother. The Itel P55 Plus ships with Android 13 and Itel OS 13 skin on top of it. Itel OS is similar to XOS or HIOS skin if you've used any of those before. It also adopts the dynamic bar feature, which surprisingly quite a number of people actually like the feature. Also, there are pre-installed apps which you can uninstall or disable. Performance on the Itel P55 Plus is handled by the Unisoc T606 chipset. It is a very common chipset on devices in this class. The Itel P55 also comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Now, where it gets interesting is when you look at the Itel P55 5G. I mean, it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset. It is a more powerful chipset that is on par with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. The MediaTek Dimensity 6080 is also the main reason why the Itel P55 5G can get access to 5G, and I think this is Itel's first 5G device, and to be honest, it's kind of surprising from them. I totally didn't expect it. That said, this is a welcome upgrade from Itel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Gaming on the Itel P55 Plus is probably doable, but I wouldn't really advise it. I mean, come on. Also, do you guys play games on your mobile phones? Let me know in the comment section. When it comes to camera, the Itel P55 Plus comes with a dual camera setup which includes a 50MP main and a 0.8MP depth camera. It is capable of shooting videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the same for the 8MP selfie camera. Also, photos under good or pristine lighting conditions are okay. However, in any other condition that isn't that, well. Now to the main highlight of the Itel P55 Plus. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that will last you through the entire day, but that's not even the best part. It is capable of 45 watts fast charging, which means you are juicing up that battery back to 100% in under 2 hours, which is just unheard of from a device that cost literally 120,000 naira. I mean, name other device that has this type of fast charging at this price range. So between the Itel P55 Plus and the P55 5G, which is better? Well, the P55 5G is obviously better. That said, it lacks in terms of fast charging. I mean, it has only 18 watts fast charging compared to 45 on the P55 Plus. Also, the display is subjectively worse looking. I mean, the hole punch cutout looks more premium compared to the water drop notch. Every other thing is okay. I mean, performance is better, and yeah, and even camera might be better because of the processing from the processor. So if that's what you care about, then you already know your choice. But if you want a subjectively better display, I mean the hole punch cutout, and you want faster charging, that is 45 watts fast charging compared to 18 watts, and you want an overall better or cheaper device rather, then the Itel P55 Plus is the one to get. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.